Hey guys, I've got some exciting news for you today. If you want to make a full-time passive income from the internet, you got to watch this. I've got a brand new training course for you, completely for free. It's going to show you how to make that passive income from YouTube, even if you're a newbie and have never done anything like this before. And listen, you don't even need a big following to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it with less than 1,000 subscribers. How does that sound? Similar training costs around $300. You're not going to pay a penny, and the other stuff doesn't go into the same level of detail as I'm going to take you. So if that sounds good, I'm going to show you how you can get that in a couple of minutes. But listen, why didn't I upload this to YouTube? Okay, I'm creating podcasts and YouTube videos, so why didn't I just do that? Well, it's an in-depth course. There's actually hours of training for you. And listen, not everybody is going to want to grab that training course. So I don't feel right giving the people who don't want the course hours and hours of training that they're not going to use. So this is only for people who are serious about getting to grips with YouTube and video marketing. So let me tell you a little bit about what's in store for you when you subscribe to the course, because you probably think, well, to do video marketing, you're going to need a whole heap of equipment like lighting, microphones, a good camera, that kind of stuff. Listen, you've probably already got everything you need. I'm going to show you how to make good quality videos using the tools that you already own, so you don't have to invest anything to get started. And if you're worried about appearing on camera, you don't have to do that either. Some of the most popular videos on YouTube don't have anyone appearing on camera. They make them with slides and images, and you can do the same. Another big concern that people have is that they think they need a big audience to make a lot of money on YouTube. That's just not true. If you're going for AdSense, so if you want to make money from the ads, then yeah, you're going to need a huge audience to make money that way. But that is the least profitable way to make money on YouTube. I'm going to give you the single best business model that I use. I personally use this to generate passive income. I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. You're also going to learn how to promote your videos the right way. So we're going to do it ethically. We're going to get the right audience for your particular content. I'm going to show you how to find the right topics that people actually want to watch, because we can create videos about anything we like, but if nobody's watching that content, then it's a waste of time. I'm going to show you how to avoid wasting your time so you only make videos that people crave to watch. And to do that, I'm going to show you the 3 types of videos to make. There's only 3 types of format that we have to be aware of. I'm going to run you through each of them so you can quickly implement each of these types. And I'm actually going to show you the number 1 type of content to make that people absolutely love, and that will keep people returning to your channel over and over. It's also going to boost your subscriber count as well. So you're going to learn how to find the right keywords. So you know what people want to look for, you know what people are searching for, because you probably know that YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the planet, right next to Google. It's owned by Google. So it makes sense that we put our content on there where people are searching, because something like 70 or 80% of people use YouTube to help solve their problems. So if they've encountered a problem, they turn to YouTube to try and get help. So it makes sense to put you in front of those people. And that opens a whole world of opportunities. So once you've done that, we need to know how to brand your channel the right way so you look professional, so you look trustworthy, so people know that you're a serious contender and they should pay attention to you. Then I'm going to show you the easy way to increase your video views, because once you've created your content and uploaded your videos, we need people to watch it, right? I'm going to show you how to use the algorithm to increase your views. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get your videos on the front page of Google. When we do this, we can beat authority websites. You won't believe it. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you examples, everything that you need to know to be able to get your content on the front page of Google for high ranking keywords. And you are going to beat industry leaders when you do this. So once we've got your videos up on YouTube, we have to increase the engagement. We have to get people to take action, don't we? So we need people to like your video, comment. We need them to subscribe to your channel. And most importantly, we need people to convert into customers. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to make content that compels people to turn into customers. It's a really slick and easy process that anyone can do. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. You're also going to learn how to ethically model successful channels. So we look at who's doing what in your space. We look at patterns. We find how they're doing it, how they're achieving success, and then we emulate that. We don't copy. Modeling is not copying. It's very different. I'm going to show you how to model these successful channels so you can siphon a little bit of that success towards yourself. And I'm going to show you how to make it about more than just money. I mean, the money's great. That's what we want. But imagine waking up every morning being excited about getting involved in your business, doing something that resonates with you, something you feel genuine passion about. That's the whole Profit Copilot philosophy, profit from your passions. I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you wake up every morning, you leap out of bed, you can't wait to get started because you're enjoying your business. It becomes about more than just making money. It's deeply fulfilling and satisfying to you. So you live in perfect alignment and harmony with your passions. So there's a lot to cover in this free training course. If you want it, head over to profitcopilot.com/video marketing. I'm actually going to put a little box there if you're watching on video that you can click, and then you can just opt in and grab that free training course. You're going to get a new lesson every single day. Thank you for checking this out. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new so you never miss an update from me. And I will see you again tomorrow. Take care, guys.